do a little quick demonstration on the easiest and I think the safest way to dehook a fish. What you're gonna want to use is some sort of hooking tool. I like this one because it doesn't have a sharp point on it itself. And then you're gonna be inverting it. So the line goes down, the tool goes up, roll it, give it a little pop, and fish comes right off.
Boom. Rudy's been waiting for that. All right, good job. Dehooking tool 101 with Grayson. Gotta have them.
All right. So real quick, let's talk about an easy way to get the hook out of the fish's mouth. We're gonna use one of these really, really nifty dehooking tools that have no spike on it. Make sure it's a little more safe. Now the key is that you want to invert the fishing line, the rig, and pull with the dehooker straight up, and then roll that circle hook right out of the fish's mouth.
Bam.
Nice and smooth, so that that hook point is facing downward. Fish will just use its own gravity, come right off the hook, nice and easy.
Wow, that's nifty.
Real easy.